So I've added 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 4 tablespoons of sugar. You can add less according to your taste. 3 and 4. So you add unsweetened cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons. I'm adding half a tablespoon of cooking oil, a pinch of baking powder. Now I'm adding 3 tablespoons of milk. Mix it all up. Into this mixture you can add some semi-sweet chocolate chips or dry fruits or nuts or anything like that of your choice. And then now I'm going to place this mixture in the microwave. First I'll keep it for 2 minutes and check, and then if it's done, that's it. Otherwise I'll keep it for another 30 seconds more. I can show it to you now. Let's just wait. This is how the cake looks after exactly 2 minutes. So you can see the top is nice and soft. It doesn't need extra cooking. Now I'm going to decorate the cake. Even if it's in a mug, it's nice, no, if you decorate it and eat it. So I'll just show it to you now. I'm sprinkling some chocolate powder over it, and then the cake is done. Enjoy it nice and warm. Thank you.